Alright, so this video is going to talk about distribution in equations. You guys are familiar with the distributive property already. Alright, and when you talk about distribution in equations, it's pretty much the same concept. So if you take a look at this equation, I have this number 3 that's outside the parentheses on both sides. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to distribute the 3 to each term inside the parentheses. Alright, I'm drawing these arrows to indicate to you how I'm going to be multiplying. So now I have 3 times 2x, which is 6x. I have 3 times 5, positive 5, which is positive 15. And that's equal to 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times positive 5, which is positive 15. So let's take a look at this problem. Alright, I have a 5 outside the parentheses on both sides of the equation. I'm going to get rid of the 5 by multiplying it into the parentheses. Let me draw the arrows for you. Alright, just like that. And I'm drawing the arrows to indicate to you how I will be multiplying. So in this particular equation, we have a fraction. So just remember that 5 can be rewritten into a fraction as 5 over 1. So now we have 5 over 1 times 1/2. You just multiply the numerator with the numerator. So 5 times 1 is 5. And the denominator with the denominator. 1 times 2 is 2. So we have 5 over 2x. And then we have 5 times 2, or 5 times positive 2, which is positive 10. And going to the other side, again, for this fraction, we multiply 5 over 1. So looking at the numerators, 5 times 3 is 15. And looking at the denominators, 1 times 4 is 4. So we have 15 over 4x. And now we have 5 times negative 5. And a positive times a negative gives you a negative. So 5 times negative 5 will give you a negative 25.
Rock my own kick game, 8-figure deal, figure how I'm courtside at the clip game, still pop ace king.